all the time I've been using, I've only stopped for more than a week twice.
Straight Bangers Productions. Another banger, baby.
Life can be
Check me out.
an everlasting struggle.
Look, grown man, I ain't got time for the games. I'm just doing me and playing my lane. Wish I would just do the same. Still in the streets, so I ain't one for the fame. Rather be paid than niggas know my name. That's just me though. Still no smokers on a first name basis. White boys who fuck a white girl, but they not racist. Let's just face it, I'm raising the bar. It's for my niggas on the corner, still placed in the car. Rather have it than not, what's worse, death or a charge. Woke up with strength and understanding, I'm still blessed by Allah. I still do this for the hustlers that still walk in the yard. Got 20 in and 10 to go, you know the judge hit them hard. Some of my wounds so deep, you can't see the scars. Went to parties and Soul E, guess I dance with the stars. You won't see this on your Zenith or your Vizio. Still I bet the city know that they can't fuck with me in pro.
Life can be an everlasting struggle. Life can be an everlasting struggle. Life can be an everlasting struggle.
Gum squad shit. Pro
Life
Dillinger,
can
man,
be
snotty.
an
1-9.
everlasting struggle.
Yo. Heavy hands knock a nigga down like a domino. I was raised up on fried chicken wings and platanos. Cutting class, we was in the town, I was robbing folks. Nigga try to flex, the homie shot him in the collarbone. Write a verse and you can take a look at what my life like. Send a message, get a nigga cooked for the right price. Fiends walking dead on the block, call it a fright night. Say hello to Biggie for me, go to the bright light. I'm an adult, so I ain't here for the games. I'm a legend, I ain't here for the fame. We not the same, bro. Heavyweight, they feeling my presence, I'm like a Range Rover. I've been out here grinding for days, stuck in the same clothes. Married to the game, so I ain't fucking with no lame hoe. Feds looking for the clean sweep like it's game 4. Bruce Lee raw on the block, I got the same glow. Talking to my mother and trapping from off the same phone.
Life can be an everlasting struggle. Life can be an everlasting struggle. Life can be an everlasting struggle. Life can be an everlasting struggle.